A man turning from the side of the road carelessly walks into a tree in front of the house and immediately runs away. The guy looks like he probably hit something. Looks like he's running away from it. A man who comes to visit his sister is subjected to the wrath of the wife.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, you gotta have that. Oh, you gotta have that on the Ring doorbell. I just busted my ass.
You fell down?
Yeah.
Oh, I fell down.
You gotta have that on the Ring doorbell. I need to see that video.
Oh, I fell down.
Man.
I think this is what he meant when he said, the devil gets involved in the rush.
God.
How did the woman fall?
Oh my God. If you have that on the Ring cam, we're gonna be rich.
As the woman returns from work and is about to enter her house, something hits her head and she falls to the ground in shock and tries to understand what happened.
Uy. Me caí para arriba aquí, pa. Porque se me enredó algo aquí en el pecho.
What hit his head? Was it a bird? A family had loaded their seats into their truck, and while they were coming to their house and unloading them, a man suddenly crashed into the truck and ran away, and the family tried to chase after him. This man falls and looks back, and when no one is there, he gets up as if nothing happened. The woman goes to her garage to go to work, and as she gets into her car, a thief comes and asks her to get out of the car, and the woman suddenly tries to escape.
I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. Do that first. Oh, raise the window down.
It comes loaded with the TV very easily. A man who can't see ahead at night crashes into a car and runs away. Be careful of these two thieves. Do not leave the door or window of your house open. The car arsonist poured gasoline on the car, set it on fire, and then ran away. He pulls his car, puts all the cargo into the car, and commits theft. But there is one thing he forgets: the doorbell camera. It is not known whether he did not hold the brakes of his car anymore or did not see what was behind him, but he crashed into the car and ran away, endangering the vehicles behind him. He took the huge box and ran away. It was a Christmas present. It looks like the host is angry when this guy plays with the camera.
You need to leave my property right now. I'm calling the cops, you.
Two children were going to knock on the door of the house to cause mischief. But when the lights suddenly turned on, they ran away.
You are currently being recorded.
These kids are trying to steal the doorbell camera. This confused raccoon is looking for food in the garbage. While these two drivers were driving carelessly, they suddenly collided, and one driver got very angry and started blaming the other driver. While this man is walking on the street, he notices people following him, knocks on the door of a house and asks for help. And the thieves approach the man and seem to have a knife in his hand.
Hello? 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 Please. Yo no he hecho nada, pana. Por favor. Pana, yo no me he metido con nadie. Sí, yo no me ando buscando. Pan, yo no he hecho nada.
This raccoon is obviously scared of something. It is hiding in the garbage. Why do you think it might be scared? This beautiful girl is standing in front of a door in the morning, looking drunk, as if the owner of the house wants to help.
Morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, how can I help you? Morning. How can I help you?
It's Aiden's friend.
Who? You're looking for what?
Homeowners who see a living creature in the stream call the fire department.
Sorry. Alright.
A man takes his dog to the toilet and notices a man. He does not recognize the man and asks what he is doing there because he came out of his neighbor's garage.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you walking through my garage for?
It's like the bear came to visit his neighbor.